Lego Red here with another knife opening. This time I got a Northwest Trail tactical folding knife that I bought from O'Reilly's Auto Parts store for $13. As you can see, has a black finish on the blade, serrated edge. Flip it over to the back. See, belt clip, polished aluminum handle, made in China. Just go ahead and open it up. See if I can cut down on the mat. Nope, no cut down. Let's get a better view of it. It says stainless steel blade, black finish. See the logo? The polished aluminum handle. Yeah, the blade feels sharp. If I can do a cut test on this, so I can see it. It's fairly sharp. It's kind of hard to cut it over the camera angle. See, yes, it's sharp enough at least. Let's move that up the way. There's like two more knives from O'Reilly Auto Parts store that I might get. I said I got this from O'Reilly's, and this one. I think just those three I got from the store, from that store. Yeah, just those three. And like I said, there's two more that I want to get. One comes with a knife sharpener, and I think another one has a camo design on it. So those will probably be my next two purchases. So that's about it. Leo Red out.